Have you ever had so much stuff to do and you just don't even know where to start? Well, that is how I feel right now. Like, there's so much stuff that I need to get done today. And by today, I mean in the next like 2 hours, because I've given myself a time limit here in the garden. Ugh. But yeah, I got so much stuff to do. And I'm feeling a little skeptical because I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done. And I'm just feeling all the feels right now. So what I'm gonna start with, I have to get stuff planted. That's the biggest goal today. Get everything planted that can be planted. And that's almost everything. Everything can be planted right now, and then I got to get it done. So we're gonna start with these tomatoes here. It's time for them to go. So I have these tomatoes. Let's see what's in this greenhouse. Let's see what's in the greenhouse. Ooh, some not happy tomatoes over there. Oh, I could have swore I just watered this stuff. Let me let y'all see it. Y'all, they not happy. All right, so what I'm gonna do is water those. I might wait to transplant them just because they look so sickly. These peppers, they need to get potted up. Yep. Ooh, you're not happy either. Gosh, I could have swore I just watered this stuff. I guess I didn't, obviously. But yes, all this stuff is going to get planted up. I'm going to take my potted, this is a jalapeno. No, yeah, jalapeno. I think this is a jalapeno. I could be lying, but I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, it's a jalapeno. So I'm going to take these. Oh, I just lost a bud. I'm going to take all this stuff out of here. It's time for it to go. Yeah. And then, oh, y'all, I'm just one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Okay. So let's start with, how about we just water the stuff? Okay, we're gonna water everything, and then everything that needs to be planted, I'll take over to where it's going to be planted, and we'll just go from there. Okay, y'all, stick with me today. Stick with me. I might need your encouragement, and if I know you're gonna be watching, then I'm more likely to get stuff done. All right, so let's do it. I've moved everything to where it needs to be planted. And then I planted 4 of my tomato plants that need to be planted. I think that's 4 of like maybe 8 or 10. Y'all, my issue right now, it is hot. And it's not even hot outside. But y'all, I'm so hot. I'm sweaty. But I got work to do, so. And let me get up my butt and do it. Maybe I need to go change my shirt. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll change my shirt. Maybe a long sleeve shirt ain't the move today. I don't know what that sound is, but I don't like it. Anyway, you saw that I had to water my plants because, you know, I neglected them. So once again, hopefully they bounce back. Once I transplant everything, it'll get a good drink of water soluble fertilizer, and hopefully they'll all be good. So I'm gonna go change my attire and then hopefully come back and bust this out. I have an hour left out here, well, an hour and a half left out here to do everything that needs to be done, and what doesn't get done, it won't get done because I have to give myself some time limits today because, you know, I could spend like hours out here. Well, I am spending hours out here, but I literally could spend hours on top of hours out here. All right, y'all, I'll be back in, I guess then we'll plant up some pepper plants. All right, y'all. So I cheated. I had to come back in the house. I can't stand the heat, so I had to get out the garden, y'all. It was hot. But everything that need to be done except my bigger tomatoes. Ooh, y'all, we're going. My bigger tomatoes, those still need to be planted. But everything else is done. It's looking good. I'm happy with the progress that I made today. I'm putting my strawberries on these little trays so that they don't dry out as fast. I mean, they still gonna dry out because, you know, it's just a container, but hopefully this way, any water that falls through the bottom, like, I can put it back in there, and I can bottom water. Yeah, I think that's it for this one, y'all. Your girl hot. I did cheat. I used a sprinkler to water the garden. Not something that I typically do all the time, but my head hurts and I need to be done. I need to be done out here, so that's how I watered the garden. The rocks were really wet. Like, they look dry as I don't know what. So this goes to show like how hot it is today. I mean, it's not even gonna be 80 today. Like, I think it's gonna be like 70, 75. But anyway, there's the garden. Here's the smaller garden where I just planted like all those tomatoes. You can see here I still have some. Those are the ones that, yeah, they not happy. You see they still really droopy, so we'll see if they bounce back. If not, you live and you learn. All right, so tomatoes are in, peppers are in. Only thing that I have to do is to up pot these strawberries here, these transplants. Yeah, those need to get up potted, which I'll probably do later this evening, maybe when Layla gets home. Y'all, look at this strawberry. Like, remember I told y'all I want some big strawberries? Y'all, it's not disappointing. It's beautiful. But yeah, this stuff needs to be watered as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and water this stuff in. And that's it, y'all. If you haven't, y'all know what to do. Subscribe, join the Lamberly. All you gotta do is put some seeds in the ground, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.